What's up, little vato? Why are you feeling so sad? Oh, I know why you're sad. This shit keeps on breaking on us. Yep. Also, oh yeah, this poor dude's going IFO. Stranded. Sucks. Busted an axle. Anyways, I did a little changing on these brackets. I put it underneath with the washer. Before I was having clearance issues with this hood pin, this tower right there wasn't clearing. Now it closes pretty good. It's an aluminum piece instead of a plastic, so it should last a little longer. Alright. 2 screws, just like a shift knob. It's in here. Yeah, I'm gonna go that far back. This should be really simple. Ah, where'd it go? It's been about like 5 minutes and I'm still looking for that damn screw. Bet you it's stuck in here somewhere. What the hell? This is dumb. This is like really dumb. Start beating the shit out of everything. And voila. Oh. Alright. Dude, I cannot really make this shit up. I just dropped the Allen key in here. Oh, you kidding me? Jesus, look at that. Oh, there it is. That's definitely gonna work. Should we close this hood? Hey, they're off. Cool. Amazon to the rescue. I was about to buy the whole handle with the cable, but then I found that on Amazon. It might break, but it's better than the plastic one, that's for sure. We'll see. It's probably gonna be the screws coming apart. But that shit's done. Sorry, guys. So, let's see. Well, I'm gonna hold on to this, but I'm not gonna weld the bung onto it. I'm gonna just run it off the secondary. But I know it's disabled, so I think we're good on that. See this. Alright, what I was seeing is that just need ground and power, and the rest is for the ECU. If you run an AEM ECU, shut up, car. That goes. Let's see. Okay, yeah, double plug. Alright, makes sense. That goes down to a fuse box. This runs to this. There's 2 ports right there. I picked this up on Amazon. Little gauge pod. I'm gonna run it in here for right now. Something like that. Pato! Vámonos! Alright, I might be wrong here, but instead of running off the secondary O2 sensor, but a lot of people say Don't run it there, run it closer to get correct readings, but don't move. Oh, you stupid little tripod. It's so hard making videos and working in your car. I could have had this shit done a long time ago. Get out of here. We're gonna set you right here. Just like that. Oh, carry. Stupid doors want to stay open. Take care of that. Alright, so once you dismantle your damn center cancel. Shit. There is the plug right here for the secondary O2 sensor. And there's a hole right there where you run your wires. Just unplug this real quick. Oh yeah, can't see it. There it is. Just let it drop. The O2 sensor. Tuck it back. It's original brackets. Looking good, no leaks. Nice. See, no hits on the splitter. Nope. Alright. So we have the harness plugged up. Right there. Like I said, run it through the bottom. Oh, you know what? I forgot I need to put the grommet back on. Do that right now. Like back up. Jesus, how the hell did that happen? Yeah.
Which hasn't happened because
damn you. Everything's set up. A little harness is tucked away. O2 sensors plugged in. And I already got this gauge set up right here. I just stuffed it in there. I didn't have to drill anything. 2 days later, we finally got the right out of circuit with the right size of fuse. There's an old one. This is for a bigger type of fuse, as you can see. Anyways, Amazon. I think it was like 2 day shipping. $8. I was gonna run to the alternator. I already got the 210s on here, but I'm gonna run it to slot 22. There's currently no fuse on there right now. Slot 22. I saw this dude on YouTube. Put his channel right here. He did his on there with the 7.5 fuse, and he hooked it up with a ground location right here. Straight to this holds your dash, and I think that should be the installation, hopefully. Let's see what kind of crazy shit this throws at me. Alright. Let's see if we can get some. Alright, everything's connected. It should work. Son of a. Alright, now I tried it on the alternator. It's a 10 amp fuse. Second trans. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Awesome. There it is. Slot 22 with the 7.5 fuse. No power at all. Switched it to the alternator. Slot 3. It's a 10 amp fuse. And there you go. It works. Alright, it's a big deal to me, probably not for you, but I just fixed my damn horn. I've been running without a horn since like 2008 or something like that. I had a ghetto rig custom intake coming out through somewhere around here, and the horn was in the way of my air induction, so I removed it, and then when I went back to connect it, it wouldn't work. Checked the fuses, checked relays, but I never thought that the damn horn has to be grounded to the metal. I just grounded it right now and fucking works. So now this button actually works. Mission accomplished. Oh yeah, I'm down to just one strut. Decided just to keep the single strut. I got a little something going on here. Kind of did a little thing here. Some cutting, some rearranging.